Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I will do the unboxing of the YJ MGC 7x7 cube. So along with this cube I got a Cubello classic lubricant and a Cubello cube stand. So let's keep this aside and look onto our cube. So it comes with a good box. So opening it. Comes with the accessories box. Let's see what's inside it. Some sort of tutorial and few magnets and springs. That's nice. Screwdriver and some more accessories of this cube. I think these are, I don't know much about this. What are these? So now let's see onto our cube. So let's test the turning of this cube. Turning is literally awesome. I didn't think that this cube will have this much good turning. This made the pattern. Wow. So the centerpieces are a bit loose, but that's a common thing in the big cubes, and it's looking like it can pop sometimes, but that's a common thing in big cubes. So overall this cube is a fantastic cube. Now let's test the corner cutting. Let's test this first line first. Yeah, done. Now the second line. Almost. Very awesome corner cutting. So what to say about this cube when it's totally fantastic cube. I'm very happy with this cube as this is my first 7x7, also my biggest cube now, and I'm very much willing to scramble it now, but I won't. I'll do in my next video, so stay tuned for that. Also do subscribe my channel if you haven't done yet. And I don't know what are these. Let's see like this if I can figure it out. I can't. I'll see what are these now. This cube comes lubricated, as there was a little lubricant on its surface out of the box, and nothing else. This cube is literally just awesome. Speechless. So overall, this was our MGC 7x7. If you like my video, do hit the like button. Also subscribe if you are new and press the bell icon. Meet you in the next video. Goodbye. Take care.